All right, so let's see. Question 1. Okay. So whenever you see so many log, right? First thing what you do is try to see if you can change the log to just whole numbers on fraction. Okay. So you can change them to just a number, right? If the base and the number that you log are of the power of the same number. So 16 is 4 square, 4 is 4. Both are powers of 4. I can change them into one number. But before that, okay, before that, the rule is the base must be smaller than the number that you log. So this one must be smaller. So we change base. Okay, to change base, right, you put log new base over log new base. 4 is the new base that you want because both of them are powers of 4. This big 4 put on top, the base put below. I say again, it's log new base over log new base. Top number put on top, bottom number put below. So log 4 is 1. Okay, 16 is actually 4 square. So change to 4 square, power can bring down, cancel, you left 2. Am I too fast? Too fast, let me know, okay? I try to breathe through faster, so if I got time, I do a bit of log graph. Okay, I know log graph is one of the things that you're a bit confused. EY got the worksheet? Okay, then can you see? Because both of them are powers of 4, I can just change them to a number. Easy, okay? Then after I change them to a number, I can slowly see what I can do. Every time when the question says solve, means I want to find the value of x. So I must slowly make x the subject. So slowly, don't want the log bring over. So every time when you don't want the log, you bring the base over. This one will be 9 to the power of half. Nine to the power of half is 3. Okay, then one last time, you don't want the base, you bring over. No more log already, so 2 to the power of 3. Then you can just play around and you get your value of x. Okay, so every time when x is inside a bracket, okay, log by a log, you just slowly bring the log over. Bringing the log over means base number bring over. The number here becomes a power, push, okay? Then you get the number. Log question is one of the common topic that every time when you solve for x, you must submit back to your original equation to see if your x is valid. So remember, you cannot log anything that is 0 or smaller than 0. Sub the x back to see whether the bracket turns negative. Okay, in this case, the bracket is positive. This x is acceptable. There are cases whereby x is the only solution. When you sub back, it is not applicable. The bracket becomes negative. Then you still have to reject. That question has no solution. Okay, I repeat one more time. In log, there can be cases whereby you got one value of x, but when you sub back, you realize that the bracket becomes negative, and so the question has no solution. You still must reject the answer, even though that's your only answer. Okay? Can I move on? All okay, EY copy ready?
Copy ready.
Okay, very good. So this one here, same thing. You want to solve for x, you cannot have a log, so bring over. Cancel, cancel, then you realize that, oh, this is a quadratic. So solve for your quadratic. Okay, sub your x inside here, see whether is it more than 0. Sub your x inside here, see whether is it more than 0. X is also the base number. Both numbers are more than 0. So it's applicable here. You must check both sides, okay? Check the bracket. So in this case, when you sub your x value inside, it will be more than 0. Both answer you accept. Okay. I move on. All right. Okay, let's see here. Now you have log 3 ln x and log 27 ln 3 27. So there's too many things going on. What you can do is the longest line here, you change to divide. Okay, every time when there's too many things going on, the longest line you change to divide. So what you're trying to do is, okay, first thing the power can bring down. Okay, then you see, this is 3, this is 27. Definitely we need to make the base number the same. So every time try to make the base number the same. The 27, right, you don't know where to put, you just put outside the open bracket. Remember how to change base? Log new base over log new base. Okay, why the new base is 3? Because I want to make it the same as this one. Top number goes up, ln 3 goes up. Bottom number goes down, 27 goes down. Okay, then divide, you must change to times, you must flip the fraction. 27 follow the top. Okay, so okay, 27 belongs to the top. So when you flip, it goes down. Then now we can start to cancel. Okay, wait, before we start to cancel, I can simplify this one, right? This one here is 27. 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So I change to 3 to the power of 3 first. Okay, log 3 is gone. Top and bottom is gone. They are exactly the same thing. I left with 3 over 27, 1 over 9. Everything okay so far? I'll let you guys try one time. Can you try this question? Question 4. Okay, every time when you see log and log together, it means times. So when you simplify, it looks like that. Log 5, 4 times log 2, 10 over log 25 square root 10. So every time when it's confusing, the longest line you change to divide. Okay, then it's easier for you to do. So this one is base 5. This one is base 2. This one is base 25. Remember the key is to make the base number the same. So you can change this to base 5. You can change this to base 5. Okay, every time the base number, try to make it a prime number or a small number. Then it's easier for you to cancel. Okay, once you're done with 4, can you take a picture and send me? Hey Joshua, you did this already, right? Can you take a picture and send me?
You mean question 4?
Question 4, done already. Take
I
a
didn't do
picture,
it.
send me. Oh, okay, try now. Brian and Albie can do? Or start? Okay, give you more time. EY, I'll go through soon, okay? You cannot do, you do the next one first, can? Brian can do?
Oh.
Okay. Let me go through. Okay, so this one, slowly, I want to change this to base 5. EY, I want to change this to base 5. Okay, so come see here. Before we can do anything, remember we must always simplify. So 4 is 2 square, right? I can also bring the power down, 2 square. Okay, this one I want to change to base 5. So log 5 over log 5. Remember, top number put on top, bottom number put below. This longest line change to divide. So divide by. This one you can change base to base 5 again. Log 5 over log 5. Okay. Square root 10 above, 25 below. Okay, then now we can slowly simplify. Okay, got power can bring down. This one can simplify 5 square power bring down. So as we are trying to simplify this part, can you see that top and bottom I can cancel? Top and bottom can cancel, right? So this part here, I cancel first. If you simplify as you do, you copy lesser things below. So this part I can write log 2, 5, 10. Divide change to times. I times log 5. 25 is 5 square. So 5 square, power bring down. Square root is power half. So half bring down. Okay, then slowly cancel whatever you want to cancel. Log 5, 5 is 1, the 1 ready. Top and bottom can cancel. Okay, this one you have 2 divided by half is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So this times this over this, you get 8 answer. So just change base, you know what you can do. Okay. Everybody done with this? When you're done copying, can you help me put a thumbs up? Okay. Brian and EY done?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Then can you try to question 5? Question 5 is very similar to question 4. Again, the longest line, you don't know what to do. You change to divide. All the base must make it the same. Okay, I give you a clue. Change everything to base 5. Why? Because this is already base 5. This one can change base 5. This one too, you just change to 5. Okay, I give you until 1:35. See who can finish. Cannot finish, also send me working, okay? I will focus more on the technique because for the problem solving and the graph, right, everyone should forget. So I will go through in class, okay? Just have to make sure that your technique is okay because sometimes you need to simplify before you differentiate. So log usually, if they give you technique question, it comes out in paper 1. So just be careful. EY, divide must change to times, then you flip, okay? 4 can change to 2 square power can bring down. Then you get it already. Answer. Okay. This question 5, asks you to show. So when you show, right, you must start from one side. You only copy the left side or the right side. Obviously, you copy the left side, correct? You copy the left side, slowly show that it's equals to 4. Anyone start? If you start, can you put a raised hand? No one start. Okay. Cannot start means you must take picture, send me. Okay, well done, EY and Brian. Hey, Joshua, you done already? And LB? Wait, Brian, one part wrong. Sorry, I see wrongly. Joshua, take picture of your work, send me. Joshua, are you there?
Yeah, what?
Have you done question 5?
Yeah, I don't know.
Can send me.
Sure.
LB can do? Cannot, you put a raised hand, can? Okay, nice. LB got it. Okay. Okay, so Brian here. Okay, we copy first log 2, 5 times log 5. 4 you can change to 2 square. So 2 square bring down divided by log 25, 5. Okay, this one you want to change base, this one you want to change base. So slowly log 5 over log 5. Top number goes up, bottom number goes down. Log 5 over log 5. Top number here goes up, bottom number 25 goes down. 25 is 5 square. Okay, so this one can cancel. This one and this one can cancel. You're left with 2. Divide, change to times. Gone and gone. 2 over 1. You left 4. Okay, Joshua, yours is good, right? But they ask you to show, so you cannot like that. You cannot put equal 4, equal 4. You cannot write the equal 4. You must slowly show that it is equals to your right hand side. It's a bit like your trigo proving. You only copy one side, you slowly show to the other side. Okay, then your presentation is correct. All right, okay, all done. Next part, okay, the real reason why we learn log, right, is because if in EMath we learn that if the power is unknown, we make the base the same, then power equals to power. This one is what we do in indices, right? But in AMath, I will give you something like that. Okay, this is 2, this is 9. You can never make the base the same. So what you can do is you log both sides. Okay, Nanhua question usually quite hard. So why did they give this question is because the easier it is, the more confusing it looks. So you just have to log both sides. And the key to doing this question is, right, you change this to a number first. Log 2, we can change to a number. Log 9, you can change to a number. Okay, when you change to a number, you just have to expand the bracket, x one side, number one side. Then you solve it already. So Then you can solve for x. Give it in 3SM. All right. Everyone okay? So same thing for question 7. All I need you to do is, okay, this one looks complicated, but you see, these two at least you still can make the base the same. This one and this one is 2 off already. So what you can do, power with x one side, times bring over divide, power with x1, the power without x one side, times bring over divide. Remember, whenever you have the same power, you can bring it out. Okay, these two numbers are different, same thing, you log both sides. So x is log 4/6. Then x will be log 5/2 divided by log 4/6. Just put calculator, you get your answer. Okay, remember this one divide, you cannot say this minus this, cannot, it doesn't work that way. Okay, be careful when you use your plus minus. When you're done with 6 and 7, no question, can you help me put a thumbs up? Okay, very fast, Joshua. Okay, the rest. How B and EY, okay? EY 早吃的啊？你去看。
No, I'm still copying.
Okay. Okay. You just woke up ah?
Yeah, I told you 1 hour.
Okay. Hey, can you all please sleep early and everything? I think Alita still sleeping also. Young people can sleep until very late. 8 o'clock I cannot sleep already.
I let her sleep, not can sleep until really.
8 o'clock I will also wake up, cannot sleep already, don't know what to do. All right. Can ah? Done ah? All right. Okay, next one. This one is easier. Okay, this one quite simple. So what you do is everything base x, base 3 one side. This is 2 to the power of 5. Can't do anything to this. This one is alone at one side. So everything changed to base 3 first. 9 is 3 power of 2x. Square root 3 is 3 power of half. Okay, then can you slowly try to shift? Okay, so let's see. I combine the other side first. Times means the power v plus. Okay, so 3x minus half. Okay, actually, I got the simpler method. Minus means divide, so we can swap. Okay, then we cross multiply. Okay, so we have all right, then I bring over. This is times, bring over divide. So this is times again, bring over divide. Okay, then divide means the power u minus, you get answer already. So you get 3 power of x is equals to this whole thing, but in A math, you cannot leave square root at the bottom, you must rationalize. So 32 square root 3 over 3. That's your answer. Okay, you must be thinking, I thought we'd be doing logarithm. Why I put this question here? So for part 2, they ask you for value of x. You know that 3 power of x is equals to 32 square root 3 over 3. As long as you got the power that you want to bring down, you can log both sides. Okay. So just take this, divide by this, you get your answer. All right. Okay. Next one. Okay. Now, this one. Wait. Everybody done copying already. When you're done copying, help me put a thumbs up, can? Sorry, no one done copying. Okay. All right. Brian and Joshua, okay? Great. Brian? Brian gone already. You done?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Hey, Brian, you there? One thing very hard to gauge. You all turn off camera. I lost my ability to gauge if you're done writing. Okay, can Next one, okay? When you see so many lon, good thing is you can put them together, okay? Minus means divide, plus means times. But before you can change them to times and divide, you must make sure that the coefficient of ln is 1. Cannot have numbers in front. So this one pass, this one pass. This one here, there's a 1/3, you must bring it up first. So you got ln 2 square root e ln 8 over e to the power of 1/3 minus ln e over 3. Okay, so combine them. Minus means divide. Okay, 1/3 means cube root. So cube root of 8 is 2. And then e, just put power 1/3. Okay. All right. Okay. Then slowly simplify. Cancel. Cancel. Times means the power u plus. Divide means the power u minus. So you will have ln half plus 1/3 minus 1. Half plus 1/3 minus 1 is minus 1 over 6. So it stays at the bottom. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Then you can split it already. Okay. Equals to ln 3. Divide means minus ln e power 1 over 6. Okay. Ln e is 1, so just power bring down. Okay, why my answer different? Let me see. Okay, ignore this one. Okay. So now you must put a is equals to negative 1 over 6. B is equals to 3. They say that A and B are constants to be found. You must write for me what is A and what is B. If they never say A and B are constants to be found, you just leave it like that. All right. Everyone okay? Brian, you back.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Question 10 onward looks more normal. Okay, so just have to log one side. No log one side. Okay, once you have all the log one side, you can combine them. But before that, check that the power of log is 1. Okay, minus means divide. So just out. Now you don't want the log anymore. Base bring over. You have 3 to the power of minus 2 is 1 over 9. Okay, just cross multiply and find for x. You will get the answer. Same thing for question 11 is very similar. Finish 10 and 11. Can you send it to me? Okay, I want everyone to send to me, so I know what you don't understand by 1:55, okay? EY, when you combine, it's like that, okay? It's log 3 and then the whole fraction. You cannot like log this over log this, cannot. Must combine. Okay, then you can bring the base over, be careful. Okay, well done, Brian, you got it. Okay, very good. Brian, continue, continue. LB and Joshua can send me. Okay, Joshua, come send me. I want to see more than this. Come. LB 可以吗? All right, LB, well done. Joshua also very good. Okay, now this kind of question is more common, huh? So can you all do the same thing for question 12 to 14? Okay, do the same thing. Remember, log one side, no log one side. Combine already. Okay, then bring the log over. EY, when you're done changing, send me also, okay? Oh, EY, next week onwards can come to censor already
Every
if
day.
you want. Yeah,
Okay.
I will send to I'll make an announcement lah. Okay.
No need lah, just make to me.
And when y'all come back, got no more beanbag and got no more sofa
Then where I sit, yeah.
for empty. Sit on the chair lah. Sit on the chair.
Ah, my brain is rupturing. 等一下 what the?
EY can do or not? 11 done already?
No, I messed it up. It's easy
Okay.
if I messed it up.
Come help you. See, when you bring over,
Mhm.
you got this, right? Then minus becomes divide. So it's 3x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. Then you don't want the log already, you bring the base over. It's 3 to the power of 2. Then you know what to do already. Okay, then you will have 3x minus 1 equals to 18 minus 9. EY, minus 1 bring over plus 1 is minus 8. 18x minus 9 minus 15x equals to minus 8. Yeah, this part wrong. Yeah, this part wrong. So, 翻一下。Okay, can you finish 12 to 14 by 2:10? I give you your first break. Can? Okay, y'all can send me one question by one question or send me all three together if you got no problem, okay? EY, very good. Question 12 is correct. You must know why you reject. Okay, can move on. Next one. Okay, only EY send me, so the rest can do 12 to 14, yeah? Okay, so if question 13, right, you have more than one minus, so you must divide 2 times, right? Okay, you must take this, divide by this, divide by this. If you divide 2 times, it means like that. Okay, if it's A divide by B divide by C, it's A over B times 1 over C. So A over BC. Same thing, it's just A over BC. So 4. Then this one bring over. All right.
Teacher, can you explain again?
Okay, again. So from here, right? Okay, if you have A divided by B divided by C, it's just A. Divide means you change to times 1 over B. Divide change to times 1 over C. So it's A over BC. So this is your A divided by B divided by C. So it's A over BC. Okay, so you divide 2 times means both at the bottom. So in exam, right, if you don't know what to do, some algebraic stuff, change it to a simple algebra, then you will know what to do.
Teacher, can you write the second line for me?
This one?
Your, no, second one. Your bracket, the denominator.
This one? Oh, 4x plus 2.
Okay, I saw from there.
Okay, good. Brian, Joshua, and Albie, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Albie 可以啊? Yeah, okay, good, good.
Teacher, I'm using my phone for something
Mhm.
else.
What?
I'm using my phone for something else, and then I cannot send.
Cannot. What are you doing? Instagram ah?
No, I'm not on Instagram.
Then?
I'm doing something else with somebody.
No. Quick. Send me. I see. You not use your brother's handphone assignment.
He watching his K-drama. No, he watching his Chinese drama.
And too bad you
Cute.
must send me. And then,
Okay, I do it last
wow,
question.
tuitions still doing other stuff ah.
Need more excitement in life. Math is not enough.
Wow, she's saying that my class is not exciting enough. Okay.
I say need more.
All right, 2 more minutes can finish. If by plus means times, so go up, okay? The bracket goes up. This one. Okay. Minus means divide, plus means times, so it's 8 over x divided by x minus 2 times 1 plus x. So times means go up. Okay, top times top, bottom times bottom. Okay, y'all got tricked by my answer here. Must reject minus 3, okay, because minus 3 plus 2 is negative. So this answer here must be rejected. Okay, then here you got two answers. X equals to 4.42, x equals to minus 5.42. You must give me both answer and then reject this one. Okay, don't follow my question answer. You have a question to ask me?
No, accidentally press spacebar.
Oh, okay. Alright, LB, 你帮我改这个跟这个. You can go for a break, okay? Come back by 2:15. Can? The rest can send me? Brian and Joshua can send me? Or still not done? Brian and Joshua can? You're not answering me. Joshua, are there? Brian?
Yeah.
Can finish?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, EY can go for break. Come back by 2:15. Brian sent me 12 and 13 also.
Okay.
This one you cannot play cheat, you must solve, okay? You never solve. To the power of 8. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. You never solve this one. You just copy my working.
Teacher break until what time?
2:15. Joshua is gone. Joshua, why are you not there?
What?
Send me question 12 to 14.
I already did what?
No, they never receive anything. Hey Brian, question 12, this is not the answer and you haven't solved yet. Okay, this one is for question 13. I'm explaining to EY.
Teacher, I actually already sent you already.
Really? Your internet is slow?
Yeah, 12 to 14, it says you have read it already.
Oh, okay. I see already. Okay, good. Joshua, you got the answers, you must reject, okay? For 14, right, you stop there, you just have to mode 3. Okay? In exam, it's just quadratic formula. Remember to reject. For question 13, you need to reject -3 because you see if you sub -3 inside here, your bracket is negative. For question 12, you must reject. You must reject 2 because you see if it's 2 minus 2, you get 0. Okay, so just make sure you reject your answers. All right, everybody back. Okay, so let's see from here onwards. All right. Okay. Question 16. Okay. Log 520. They give you log 52 is this amount. They say without using calculator, so we can slowly do. Even though 20 is not a power of 5, 20 is 2 square times 5. Am I right? And then times, we can split it to plus. Power can bring down. Log 5 is 1. Then you get 1.862. All right. I'll skip 17 and 18. Let's look at 19. Okay, so you have, okay, you know that power must bring down. If you have an equation, you try to make the base the same. And then if the base is not what you want, try to make base the same by changing the base. So now we can make the subject. So to make the subject, right, you must see what is your subject, okay? If they want to make y, same thing, you try to make the base the same. Okay, so you got log x, y equals to 64. Change log y to log x over log x. We make the base the same. X go on top, y goes below. Okay, then divide can bring over times. So if you have log xy times log xy, it is your log xy whole thing square. Okay, this one gone, you left with 64. Divide, bring over times. So to get rid of square, you square root. Whenever you square root, you must put plus minus. Then y will be equals to 8 to the power of plus minus 8. So you got two answers. Okay, we try one more time. So same thing, you see log, all the log one side, no log one side. Then we know that plus minus means I can change to divide and times, but before that, the coefficient of log must be 1. All this number you must bring up first. Bring up. Bring the power up. Okay, now we can combine. Before we combine, power can put in. So you got x to the power of 6. Half times 6 is 3, so y cubed. Divide by x. Take this, divide by this times this. Times y squared. Okay, slowly. Cancel, cancel. You got log x 5, y 5 equals to equals to 2.5. When the power is the same, you can bring out here. Okay, slowly simplify. Then power can bring down. 2.5 divided by 5 is half. Okay, and slowly we want to make y the subject. So the log we don't want already. Log base is 10, so you got 10 to the power of half, which is square root 10. Y is square root 10 over x. Okay, that's it. Can I let you try one? You try 21, can? Okay, same thing. I give you 5 minutes. Try to finish by 2:25. Okay, do the same thing. Log one side, no log one side. Minus change to divide, plus change to times. Before you can do that, make sure that the coefficient of log is 1. Okay, then slowly simplify and make y the subject. Okay, Brian, can you try 21 also? Joshua also, okay? I come back in 3 minutes. Huh? Can everyone do? Huh, Sammy, you're working? Hmm. EY can do? Okay, I'll be well done.
Okay, scrub it.
Screw up a bit. This one. Okay, EY start. I'll be very good. You try the next one. Okay, try 22. Brian can do?
You know,
All right, come let's see here. So all of you see here, okay, for those who can't do. So first thing, we bring the, okay, all the log one side. Okay, all the log one side. Remember, minus we change to divide, plus we change to times. But before that, the power, you must bring up. The power, you must bring up. So log. Okay, then minus becomes divide. So x cubed y. Okay, I put the power in at the same time. Divide by x square times y. Can see this divide by this times this. Okay, equals to 2. So cancel, cancel. We left with log xy square equals to 2. Okay, then we got x y square slowly log. You don't want anymore, bring over, is 10 to the power of 2, which is 100. Then we try to make y the subject lah. So it's 100 over x. Square root both. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of x is square root x. Answer. Okay, since some of you still cannot, we try a few more times. Okay, can you all continue 22 and 23? I want to see working. Okay, send me your working. Okay, so just make sure all the log one side, no log one side. Coefficient of log bring up first. Okay, make sure the coefficient is all 1. Then minus means divide, plus means times. When you combine already, the log is useless, can bring the base over. Okay, then you can get rid of log. See, no more log anymore. You try to copy, finish 20 already. Okay. Come guys, 22 and 23. Give you another 5 minutes, finish it. Okay, once you're done, take a picture, send me. Not done, also send me. Ryan, come try. Log one side, no log one side. I read the wrong thing here. Sorry, this is square root x. If you got stuck at 22, please send it to me and let me check. Oh, wait. Sorry, 22, right? It's not x plus y, it's x plus 1. Can you change to 1? Okay, then you can do already. Sorry. Log 3 x plus 1. Okay, then you will have y over x plus 1 over x plus 1. So it's x plus 1 squared. Okay, then you can solve. EY, this one also change to x plus 1. So now you don't want the log anymore. You can bring 3 to the power of 1 is 3. Therefore, y is equals to 3x plus 1 squared. Question 23 and 21 actually very similar. Okay, be careful. Brian, you send me the same thing again. Okay. Okay, Brian, almost done. You just have to make this one the subject. Okay, good, got it. Okay. Be well done. Joshua done with 22. Okay. Let's see. Joshua, 22, help me change, can? 22 is not y, it's 1. That's why a bit wrong. Yeah, there's a typo there. And then Joshua, 21, you help me change, okay? For question 23, be careful, all the log one side first. Okay, everybody see here, all the log one side first. Then check if the coefficient is 1. So all the power that is not 1, you bring up first. So it's okay. Then minus means divide. So just nice you put the power in is x cubed y. So x cubed y divide by x divide by y squared. Okay, cancel, 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 cancel. You have log x squared over y equals to 1. From here, you don't want the log, you bring the base over. The base is 10. So 10 to the power of 1. Okay, so x squared over y equals to 10. Then you have y equals to x squared over 10. Answer. All right. We have one more to go before I move on to another one. Can all of you please try? Okay, try one last one, 24. See whether can do or not. Okay, when you're done with 21 to 23, copy finish ready. Can you help me put a thumbs up? Thank you. The rest copy finish already? Joshua, I know you're done. Brian and EY done copying? Brian, done?
Yeah.
Okay. Come all try 24. I give you 3 minutes before I go through. Remember, try to make the base the same. Okay, the base must be the same. One is x and one is y. You must change one of them. Okay. If I'm you, I change the one without the power. Okay, no, don't make the power the same. You make the base the same. Okay, make the base the same. Okay, make the base the same. So if you want to change to base y, is log y over log y. The top one goes up, the bottom one goes down. The longest line here, you can change to divide. Okay, this one is gone. Divide, you can change to times. So 1 over log y x times 1 over log yx whole thing square is equals to 64. Slowly do, okay? Top times top, bottom times bottom. You treat this as A. a times a squared is a cube. Okay, then you flip this, you flip this. So log yx cube is 1 over 64. To get rid of the cube, you cube root both sides. Okay, so you got log yx equals to 1 over 4. X is y to the power of 1 over 4. But you want to make y the subject. So y power again, power 4, y equals to x power 4. Slowly play with it, then you can get the answer. Everybody okay with 24? No question, done copying. You know what to do. Okay. Help me put a thumbs up when you're done. Thank you. The rest done? Joshua, EY, and Brian done? EY?
Wait, I need to send you.
Don't need to send me. Done copying already?
Oh yeah, done.
Okay, everybody. Let's see here. So now it's even harder. Expression means they will give you this, they give you this, they ask you to express this. Now, this is the kind of question that most students always make mistake or get stuck at. Okay, so the first thing you see is x equals to log 3. This one is log 3. Make sure that your log is also base 3. Okay, this whole thing is very complicated, so we change. Divide means minus. Here means times. So it will be log 3 b to power 5 minus log 3 27 a4. Okay, divide, I change to minus. We split it. Then slowly, power can bring down. Oh, I forgot to put this power. Okay, this is power 5. Square root is power half, so it's power 5 over 2. So slowly, 5 over 2 log 3b. This is times, okay? Don't forget to open your bracket. So log 3, 27 plus log 3, a4. Why must put a bracket? Because you minus this whole thing. Okay, so must put a bracket. Minus belongs to everyone. Same thing, if there is power, we try to bring down. 27 is 3 cubed. This power can bring down slowly. Power bring down. Okay, you know that x equals to log 3a, y equals to log 3b. So log 3b, you know what to change into. Log 3a, you know what to change into. So 5 over 2y minus, this one gone, 3 plus 4x. Okay, expand the bracket, don't want the bracket already. That's it. Okay, always try to make all the base to what you want. Then you know what to do. Power always bring down. We try one more time. Okay. This one, they say that P is equals to this. They ask you to express this. So slowly, this is log 2, this is log 8, base 8. Always change the one that has a bigger base. So we change this one. So P, okay, log 8 means log 2 over log 2. Top number 1 over Q go on top. Bottom number 8 go below. 8 is 2Q. So if we see here, P is equals to log 2. Now 1 over Q you don't like, right? You can change it to Q to the power of minus 1. I say again, 1 over Q you don't like, you can change to Q to the power of minus 1. Cancel. Okay, then I can say that 3P equals to minus log 2Q. Log 2Q equals to minus 3P. Okay, it's easier to change the big base to a smaller base. Now we look at this side. So this is what they want you to change. Log 2 for Q. Every time when you see number in alphabet, split it. Okay. Times means you change to plus. Then 4 is 2 squared, correct? So 2. Log 2Q, you have it. Log 2Q is minus 3P. Log 2 gone. 2 minus 3P. Okay, so every time expressing, you know that it's just alphabet. You split the number and alphabet. Easier for you that way. Okay, always try to bring power down. It helps. Okay, even 1 over Q, you can bring minus 1 down. Any questions so far? All okay? Can I let you try? Okay, now your turn. You try 27. Okay, this is base 1 over 27. This is base 3. Definitely change the one that is not a prime number. Change this one to base 3. Okay, power cube root can bring down 1/3. Easier to solve. Can you all do it one by one? Okay, I give you some time. Give you until 2:55. Let's see who can solve. Once you're done, take a picture and send me. I want to see everyone do. So just wait for me. All right, guys, can you send me your working? Never mind if you're not done. Joshua and LB also send me. Okay, let's see here. So first thing we want to change base. Okay. Joshua and LB send me. I'll go through while you send me. So when you see here, okay, we want to change this base to 1 to 3. So you got log new base. Okay, wait, before that, okay, power we can bring down. This power cube root, you bring down 1/3. So it's log 1/27, 1/x. Okay, actually, this one you can bring down some more. Can I say that 1/x is x to the power of -1? Can, right? So bring down some more again. Okay, once I reach here, then I can start. So 1 minus 1/3 put outside. Log new base over log new base. Top number x goes up. Bottom number 1/27 goes down. So 1/27 is 3 to the power of -3, right? So 3 to the power of -3. Okay. Everybody okay from here so far? All okay. All right. Okay. So log 3x, you know that is m. Log 3 is gone. Okay. Then top times top, bottom times bottom. -3 times -3 is 9. Oh, the answer here wrong. This is 9. Let's see. Hey, Joshua, you done?
Yeah.
Oh, LB, you got it. Okay.
Yeah,
LB,
I got
you
it correct. So
Mm. LB, you just change log 3x to m. You got it. That's the answer. Okay, yeah, the answer is m/9, not 12. Okay, the answer is m/9. Okay, but LB, you're working a bit short. Okay. Now, next one. When you're done copying 27, can you help me put thumbs up first? Okay, good. Brian and Joshua, done writing?
Yeah, I learned.
with which one?
27.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Brian, you're not done,
I learned.
Oh, done. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, next one. Let's see here. One more time. Okay, this is, okay, they say that P/Q equals to 3R. So that means I don't want log, right? I want to see in terms of P and in terms of Q. So slowly you look at here. You want in terms of P, you don't want the log, you bring the 3/3 power of m. From here, okay, you don't want the log anymore. Q is 27 to the power of n. So if I were to sub in, okay, so P over Q is 3m over 27 power n. You know that at the end of the day, you want to express it in terms of this. So, okay, wait, before that, I put down here first, 3 power of r. Okay, so this one is 3 power of m over 27 power of n. Okay, now to just compare the power, we must make the base the same. So slowly, to make the base the same, 27 must change to 3. So 27 is 3 cubed. Okay, since the base is the same, divide means the power you minus. Then you know that power is equals to power. So r equals to m minus 3n. Okay, I give you one small break after we finish 29 and 30. Can you try? 28 is exactly the same as 30, just that certain numbers different only. Okay, 29, I give you a clue. This is base 5, this is base 5. You definitely have to change this to base 5. So log 5 over log 5. 25 on top, 12 below. 25 is 5 square. So power bring down. Now this is 3 and this is 4. So you know that 12 right here can change to 3 times 4. So log 5, 3 times 4. Times you can split to plus. Okay, so you got 2 over log 5, 3 is h, log 5, 4 is k. Then you get answer. Okay, I want you to do the same for part 2. First thing, change to base 5 first, because here 5, here 5. You need base 5. Okay, finish by 3:10. I will give you another 5 minutes break. Okay, you finish earlier, you got longer break.
Wait, John, can I see 28 again?
Can, yeah. Okay, if you need help, quickly let me know. So you finish already, you can go for break, okay? Okay. So for part 2 right here, you get log 5 over log 5. 27 goes up, 8 goes down. So 27, you know that is 3 cubed. Power can bring down, but 8 is not 4 square, right? And then this one is 4. So it's very hard for you to make them the same. What you can do is you swap the 1 here. So from here, 4 is 2 square. So 2 square. The trick is here. So log 5 2 is k over 2. Okay, so from here 8 you know is 2 cubed. Power bring down. Three and 3 can cancel. Log 5 3 you can change to h. Log 5 2 is k over 2. So it's 2h over k. Okay, I'll help you with this one. So every time, okay, try to make them to power. So 4 can change 2 square, power bring down. You see clearer because 4 and 8 both are powers of 2. Okay, change to 2 is easier. When you do the next one, okay, make A and B the subject first. Yeah, same thing like just now for 28. Joshua can go for break. Come back by 3:15. Very good. EY, okay ma? LB also can? You better try, come. Can do it, man. I go through it a few times already. Show me your working first. You haven't tried 30, right? LB, well done. LB, go for break, okay? Come back by 3:15. Come, EY and Brian can do 30.
I think so.
Okay. So question 31, if you're starting, you got 4, you got 2, you got 8. All of them are powers of 2. So change everything to base 2. Okay. So for question 30, you must you see you want A over B, right? You must make A and B the subject first. So from here, you make A the subject. A is 3 power P. Here you make B the subject. B is 27 power Q. So you have A over B equals to 3C. Everything made in terms of 3. 27 is 3Q. Then very easy already. Divide means minus. C equals to P minus 3Q. That's it. Well done, huh? Okay, take another 5 minutes break. Come back by 3:15. I'll continue. We left with 2 more parts and then we are done. Okay. Everybody back? When you're back, can you help me put a thumbs up? Thank you. All right, that's great. EY back? Okay, come. Let's see, yeah. Okay. So just now I say, okay, this is the most common type of question. They will purposely give you everything in a different base, okay? So try to make them to a prime number. So 4, 2, and 8, everything make in terms of 2 because all of them are powers of 2. But before that, try to make all of the log one side, no log one side. So then, okay, 4 and 8, you want to change them to base 2. The number in front, you don't know what to do, you just put outside and then open a new bracket. So log 2 over log 2. 9x squared on top, 4 below, 4 is 2 squared. Try to change them to power term. One more time. 8 log 2 over log 2. Bracket is on top. Okay, bracket power I bring down. 8 is below, 8 is 2 cubed. Okay, why I do that, right, is because usually you're able to cancel. Can you see top and bottom can cancel? 3 and 3 can cancel. Then you left with, see log 2, 2 is gone. Log 2, 2 is gone. You left with log 2, 9x squared minus log 2, 1 minus 2x minus log 2, 5 minus x equals to minus 1. So we have log 2, 9x squared, okay? Check. Coefficient of log is 1 already. Minus means divide. So you have this, divide by this, divide by this. So 9x squared over 1 minus 2x, 5 minus x. Okay, then final step, you just have to, don't want the log anymore. 2 to the power of minus 1 is half. Then just cross multiply. Okay, slowly help me solve. Solve for x, remember to sub both bracket to, sub both x value into the bracket to see whether all of them is valid. Okay, all must be valid for the answer to be accepted. Okay, so sub 5 over 16 into each, sub minus 1 into each, and see whether both you can accept or not. In this case, positive, so this one become positive, this one still positive, this one still positive, pass, can. Minus 1, even though it's negative, 1 minus minus become positive, x squared regardless, negative will become positive. So both answers you can accept. Okay, so slowly sub and see whether your answers can be accepted. All right. Can you try? 32. Okay, continue. 32 and 33. Okay, when you're done with 31 and 32, can you take a picture and send me? Alvi, did you manage to solve 31? EY and Brian can?
Yeah, can.
Okay, EY can do 32? Okay, so I erase this part now. You get, okay, this one is log base 3, you can combine already. So it's log 3, x, 8 minus x. Okay, this one put outside first. 9 cannot, so you change to log base 3, log 3 over log 3. 15 on top, 9 below, 9 is 3 square. Can you see 2 and 2 can cancel? This one can cancel. So you have log 3 x 8 minus x equals to log 3 15. Then both are log 3, right? So this is equals to this. Then you can solve. Okay, solve quadratic. Joshua, your 31 and 32 is not correct. Help me change it, okay?
Oh, okay.
From here, you should get 9x squared over equals to half. 2 to the power of minus 1 is half. Cross multiply, you can solve, you will get these two answers. Okay? The 32 also wrong. You help me solve. Move 3 after that. The rest, once you're done with 31 and 32, you take a picture and send me, can? I give you 1 more minute, okay?
Apparently my 31
Mm.
32 is correct. If I do quadratic.
You haven't, you didn't solve quadratic only, is it?
Yeah, it's apparently correct. Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. Yes, 31 is correct. 32 is correct also, but you must solve. You must solve. Okay. 32 there, answer. This one equals to this one. So you have x. 8 minus x equals to 15. Then you can continue. LB, you solve 32 already? Okay, take a picture, Sammy. Brian, done already?
Yeah.
31, 32. Take a picture, Sammy.
Okay.
All right, so let's see 33. While you take a picture. So you got log 5, 3 minus 2x. Okay, EYC here first. This is log base 5, this is log base 5. What I'm trying to do is I make this also log base 5. But if you see the 1 here is too confusing, you put 1 divide by. This one change to divide, okay? Then you have log 5 over log 5, we change base. 5 on top, x below. Okay, then minus bring over plus because I want log one side, no log one side. Always log one side, no log one side. So 5 is gone. Divide, change, you flip. So you have log 5, 3 minus 2x times, minus 1 times log 5x plus log 5, 5 over 2. Can combine already because coefficient of log is 1. Okay, minus become divide. Plus becomes times. Okay, then from here, base can bring over 5 to the power of 2. So top times top, bottom times bottom. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Okay, you just have to cross multiply and you can solve. So you have 50x equals to 15 minus 10x. 40x equals to 15. Oh, sorry, 60x. Okay, then you get 1 over 4. Sorry, Brian, can you change here? In this part, minus bring over is plus. You should get 30x equals to, yours is, you should get 30x equals to 15 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay. EY can, 33.
32 haven't solved.
Just expand everything, bring one side equals 0, EY.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay. Can you guys continue trying? 30 to 36. Okay, we try to solve 3 more. Come, guys. Joshua, I'm helping you check yours. You help me change and then solve properly, okay? Okay. LB, EY, and Brian, when you do 34 to 36, anything not sure, please take a picture, show me. I give you 5 more minutes for the 3 questions, okay? Joshua, I send you everything to 39 ready. You can take a look, yeah? Brian, 34 minus 1 must reject, okay? Because when you suck in, it doesn't make sense. You cannot log negative. $35 almost, okay? EY and LB can do 34. Okay, I'll go through 34. Okay, I'll be good. Can continue with 35. Let me go through 34 and 35. Okay, so yes, EY, got question?
No, but I don't know how to do.
Okay, so 0.5 and 2 both are powers of 2. 0.5 is 2 to the power minus 1. So we change to log 2 over log 2. X on top, 0.5 below. 0.5 is 2 to the power of minus 1. So cancel. Okay, so we have log 2, 2x plus 1 minus log 2x. So this power, right? Okay, make sure in front coefficient is 1. This one you must bring up. So when you bring minus up, it's x to the power of minus 1. So it is 1 over x. So both has log 2. That means this one is equals to this one. We just solve lah. Okay, so 2x plus 1 equals to 1 over x. 2x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. You can solve. X equals to half. X equals to minus 1. Reject this. Okay, because you cannot have x minus 1. When you're done with 34, no question, can help me put a thumbs up. Thank you. Joshua done, 34. Can understand already?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, next one, 35, right? Okay, I think some of you got stuck, so let me help. You see 3, square root 3, and 9. All of them are powers of 3. So everything changed to powers of 3. Slowly change. Okay. I put 4 divide because you're trying to change. Okay, the longest line here, I changed to divide. So you have log 3 over log 3. 9 is 3 square. Square root 3 is 3 power half. Next one, log 3 over log 3. X squared plus 2. If you're done with 35, you can see mine also, okay? 9 is 3 squared. So I'm just trying to help you make it simpler. Gone, gone. Okay, so you have here log 3. This one, 2 to the power of half. 2 divided by half is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, I think some of you got this part wrong. So log 3, x squared plus 2 over this part gone, you left 2. Okay, then if you don't like the 2 at the bottom, everything times 2. SU times 2. Remember what I told you? Log one side, no log one side. So I bring the power up as well because later on I need to combine. Okay, then we can combine already. Okay, I try to combine. So log 3, you get your 2 minus 3x squared over x squared plus 2. Then you can bring your base over. Okay, this one can bring over. You know what to do. Okay, so every time when you simplify, try to log one side, no log one side. Then you can continue. Can see, yeah? Okay, for the next one, you can also make everything to log. So you got LG over LG, Y on top, 100 below, 10. 100 is 10 square. So everything times 2. Power can bring up. Both got log. So this one is equals to this one. Now you can compare and solve. Okay, I gave you both. When you're done with 35 and 36, can you help me put a thumbs up? Only when you solve it. Okay, I haven't solved it yet. You must bring the log over, solve for x. Take a picture, send me that you solve it. Then you put a thumbs up. Okay. Can I give you guys another 5 minutes for this so I can move on? Okay. It's 2 minus 3 here. Okay. So why is it 2 minus 3x whole thing square? Because I need to bring the power up. Okay, before I can combine minus into divide, the coefficient here must be 1. So the power here, I must bring up first. Then you can combine. Okay, right? So this one we bring up first. Joshua, you changed 37 already?
Yeah.
Okay. Brian and LB almost done with 35 and 36. All right. LB, okay? EY 好了吗？
Still solving, but I know how to.
Okay. Brian, when you're done, can you help me do 37? EY, you say what? You don't know how to do?
I know, but I still solving. My brain is a bit slow today.
Okay. Can we give you another 3 minutes?
I think 3 minutes not enough for me.
Joshua, when you're done, can you help me do 42? You haven't started 42 yet, right?
Teacher, do we still have a lot?
I want to do question 42 to at least 47. I will drag a bit because I started late. I pushed my later class to 4:10. We got some time. Right, quickly. 55, 35, and 36. Okay, you're very good already. I finished this in 2 lessons for my Sec 3. So we spent 4 hours finishing this. All okay? Okay, EY and LB, I move on a bit first. Later on after class, you help me solve, okay? So let's see question 42. The last method is the substitution method, okay? So the hardest part about substitution, oh, you're done already, very good, okay? The hardest part about substitution is that you don't know you need to use substitution. So let me show you some examples whereby substitution is needed, okay? So you have 2 log 3y minus, okay? You got base 3, you got base y. One of it must change so that the base is the same. Let's say I change base y to base 3. So log 3 over log 3. 3 on top, y below equals to 1. Then log 3 is 1, so no more. Then you have 2 log 3y minus 1 over log 3y equals to 1. Can you see log 3y on top and log 3y below? Okay, there's no way you can make something the subject. So we don't know what to do already from here. Plus in between is a minus. There's no way you can change it to divide. So because of this one here, so we just let log 3y equals to u. Okay, so we got 2u minus 1 over u equals to 1. Everything times u. 2u squared minus u minus 1 equals to 0. Then we solve for u. Okay, we get u equals to 1 or u equals to minus half. Then change back to log 3y. Log 3y equals to 1 or log 3y equals to minus half. Don't reject negative just because it's negative, okay? Try to find for y first. So y is equals to 3 or y is equals to 3 to the power of minus half, which is 1 over square root 3. Okay, leave your answer. Rationalize square root 3 over 3. So this is when you need to use substitution method. When you have something on top, something below, you're not sure what to do, you just sub. When you're done copying, can you help me put a thumbs up? LB and EY, okay? Okay. LB. LB, okay, yeah? All right. Okay, let's see the next one. So, okay, just try to help me check. So, this one, log, okay, again, I change to base 5, log one side, no log one side. So, this one here log 5, 5 minus x, minus log 5 minus x 25 equals to 1. Okay, we make the base the same, so maybe I change to log base 5. So log 5 over log 5. 25 on top 25 is 5 square. 5 minus x below. Can you see again? You get 1 on top, 1 below. Every time 1 on top, 1 below, you don't know what to do, you let log 5, 5 minus x equals to u. So u minus 2 over u equals to 1. Everything times u again. U square minus u minus 2 equals to 0. So u equals to 2 or u equals to minus 1. Change it back. So log 5, 5 minus x equals to 2. Log 5, 5 minus x equals to minus 1. Power bring over 25. X equals to minus 20. 5 minus x equals to 5 power minus 1 is 1 over 5. X is 4, 4 over 5. Okay, once you found x, you sub x back. X can be a negative value because it will become positive. This one, bracket is still positive, so both can accept. Can I let you write down first? When you're done writing down, no problem, help me put a thumbs up. Okay, Joshua, question 42, try to make insert form. Don't put 0.577. Okay. Oh, everything here you times 2. Yeah, everything times u. This one becomes u square. This one becomes minus 2. This one becomes u. So this is correct. Yeah, okay. Careful, ah. Joshua, I'm still checking yours. Albie and Brian, when you're done, help me put a thumbs up, okay? Joshua, did you do 51 to 56?
No.
All right. Help me finish that now, okay? All right, Brian, I'll be done. Brian? Brian, you change it already, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Now let me choose, okay? I don't have much time. So now let's say, okay, this one. question 46 and 47. I'll finish 2. The rest, right, can you guys go back and help me try? Okay, at home, you got time. Try the remaining questions that I haven't do and see whether you can do. And if you can't, take a picture and send me, can? Okay? Or you're not sure if your presentation is okay, you can like Joshua finish already, take picture of everything and send me. I'll check for you. Okay, Joshua, so far everything is good, yeah? So let's see here. This one, okay, we got this power here cannot bring down because the power don't belong to X, it belongs to the whole thing. So this power here cannot bring down unless it belongs to X, you can bring down. Okay, so we got something like that. This power belongs to X, so you can bring down. So 17 log 4 X. Then this is log base 2, this is log base 4. Cannot, everything must be the same base. So I change to log 2 over log 2. X on top, 4 below. 4 is 2 square. Okay, then cancel. I got log 2x whole thing square. I got log 2x. This one, no matter how I see, it looks like quadratic. So I let log 2x equals to u because there's no way I can simplify this one here with a square. So we got u square plus 4 equals to 17 over 2u. Everything times 2, you know how to solve. This one, I'll leave it to you. Okay, another one, the same thing here. This is ln, this is log base y. You must change it to the same thing. Usually I like to change to ln. So open bracket, ln over ln, e on top, y below. So you see ln y on top, ln y below. Same thing, one on top, one below. You let ln y equals to u. U plus 1 equals to 2 over u. Everything times u. Again, you can solve. Okay, so once you solve, you will get u minus 2, u plus 1. So u plus 2, u minus 1 equals to 0. So u equals to minus 2, u equals to 1. Change u back to ln y. So this one will be e to the power of minus 2. Another way, 1 over e square. This will be e to the power of 1. So y is equals to e. Okay, both e are positive number. So definitely can be subbed in. When you're done with 46 and 47, can you help me put a thumbs up? Thank you. All right. Okay. LB, Ken? I finish one last question and let you go. Okay. All right. So let's see here. Okay, another type of subbing question. If you see here, 4 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x, you know that 4 is 2 to the power of 2. So whenever you see stuff like that, 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of 2x, you know it's confirm quadratic. You let 2 power of x equals to u. Why? Because 2 to the power of 2x is actually 2x whole thing square. Okay, this one will also come out for E-math, so just be very careful. You got 8u squared plus 1 equals to 9u. Okay, 2 to the power of 2x is not 2u, it's u squared. Then you know what to do. Can you guys please, still got time at home, complete this and send it to me by next week? Cannot. I'll give you some time. Finish until 56. Okay, practice a little bit more. When we do the advanced worksheet, the questions will be way harder. Okay, so practice a bit more. If not, later when I go through, you feel very confused, yeah? Joshua, you got 6 more questions, okay? You can finish and give it to me. Yalbi and Brian must try, EY, go back. Transfer everything, write down, and then try, okay? If you got no issue, okay, then I'll see you guys for the next workshop, either this week or I'll see you on Friday or Saturday. All right, Joshua, finish your last 6,
Okay, Jo.
Okay, then I'll see you guys this week. Okay, when you're done, you can go. Albi, you go back try also, Bye, EY.